Are the kids okay?
In 1989, Christina Noble journeyed to post-war Vietnam to work with the street children, fueled by a dream and her own childhood experience of extreme poverty. She founded CNCF in order to support vulnerable children at high risk of abuse and exploitation. In 1997, Christina expanded her efforts to reach the thousands of children forced to live on the freezing streets of Ulaanbaatar, the coldest capital city in the world.
They have no any other place to live, and that's why they have been living here. They sleep all day. They just put some waste papers out there and just sleep on it.
Okay, we're going to give the kids some clothes. That's all we can do for the moment, all right? All these kids are up from the manholes, all right?
Today, CNCF has positively impacted the lives of well over 1 million children, providing support to vulnerable and destitute children, families and rural communities. In the same pioneering spirit as its founder 27 years ago, CNCF remains committed to its mission. Today, Christina's daughter, CEO Helenita Noble MBE, and her grandson, Thomas Noble, who served as the country director of CNCF Mongolia from 2014 to 2020, continue to be the driving force behind the foundation, carrying on the legacy and innovation of its founder. Since its establishment, Christina and her foundation have received over 100 global recognitions for humanitarian services, including the Order of the British Empire, the Albert Schweitzer Humanitarian Award, numerous global honorary doctorates, and being named one of Time magazine's world's most inspiring heroes. CNCF focuses on 3 key areas in Mongolia: child protection, education and healthcare. The Blue Skies Gear Village serves as our flagship programme in Mongolia, providing a safe and nurturing home for children while addressing their physical, educational and emotional needs. We believe in treating each child as an individual, offering a variety of activities designed to nurture their unique skills and interests. Our child sponsorship programme supports children at Ulaanbaatar and 3 surrounding provinces, specifically targeting the most disadvantaged communities. We offer regular home visits, child protection services, capacity building for caregivers, and monthly sponsorship funds to ensure that 700 children have access to education. CNCF also works with the garbage dump community, providing regular nutritional food distributions, healthcare checkups, and information sharing on employment opportunities. Our education initiatives include the Noble Scholarship Programme, which focuses on providing tuition fees and development activities to support youth from marginalised communities in accessing education, enhancing their soft skills, and establishing a strong foundation for them to become independent adults. The Youth Rehabilitation and Reintegration Programme, formerly known as CNCF's groundbreaking Boys Prison Education Programme, established back in 1997, is a newly redesigned initiative in Mongolia's only juvenile detention centre. In partnership with the Loronet Foundation, we aim to provide quality rehabilitation and reintegration, transforming the juvenile detention system to reduce reoffending and enhance employability. Curriculum, tailored psychosocial support, and hands-on vocational training opportunities for young adults. Established in 2001, CNCF's Blue Skies Kindergarten is the only free Montessori kindergarten in the entire country. The kindergarten offers high-quality early childhood education to children from the most disadvantaged communities, welcoming 65 children annually. Our commitment extends beyond education at the kindergarten. We also provide nutritional food, child protection services, job opportunities, and capacity building initiatives for parents to promote sustainable living. CNCF's healthcare programme delivers preventative primary healthcare services to children in both the wider communities and within our programmes. As part of this initiative, we established a medical exchange programme, bringing world-leading paediatric surgeons from around the world to Mongolia for capacity building at the national's largest tertiary children's hospital. CNCF's groundbreaking mental health model is unique in the country, providing innovative services across all our programmes. In 2022, we launched the Bayartai Mental Health Programme, designed to raise psychosocial awareness among the public and enhance the skills of mental health professionals working with children, ultimately impacting generations. This initiative culminated in CNCF's inaugural International Conference on Childhood Trauma in 2023, held in partnership with UNICEF, the Association of Psychologists and the Ministry of Welfare. The conference featured prominent keynote speakers from across the globe. The Bioauto programme now enters its second phase in 2024, reaching 5 of the 21 provinces in the country, serving nomadic children and adolescents. Although groundbreaking, in the true pioneering spirit of CNCF, we know there is still much more that needs to be done. Join us in creating real change. It's not just about what you can do for us, it's about what we can achieve together for those who need it most.